WAEC Physics Practical is just around the corner and every student is asking the same question. Which practical experiments are most likely to appear this year? While nobody can know the exact question before the exam, WAEC has patterns. Certain practical experiments appear repeatedly because they test important physics concepts. In this video, I'll show you the experiments you must revise before entering the examination hall if you want to maximize your score. And ensure you watch the video to the end because the final experiment on the list has appeared in different form for years. Let's get to the video. Welcome back to HeisPhysics. If you're preparing for WAEC 2026, you're in the right place. On this channel, we help students master physics, mathematics, and statistics while preparing smarter for major examinations. Subscribe and turn on notifications because we are dropping more WAEC focused content every week. Now, let's look at the physics practical experiments you should focus on. Experiment 1. Experiment 1. Simple pendulum. So we have our simple pendulum. Very, very important experiment. The simple pendulum is one of the most common WAEC physics experiments. Now, listen, get your jotters and get ready to learn. So, you may be asked to jot this down, measure the length of a pendulum. Very common. Measure the time for oscillations. So, measure the time for oscillations. Calculate the period. Calculate the period, which is capital letter T, right? Plot graphs, very important. In all WAEC physics practicals, you must plot graph in every section of the practical. So plot graphs. And lastly, determine a relationship between quantities. Common mistakes include, now these are the common mistakes that often occur in a simple pendulum experiment. So now, I've given you guys the subtopic, or better still, the things that they'll ask you in a simple pendulum experiment. And let me give you guys the common mistake. How to do in this channel will make this easier for students. So subscribe now to be notified when I drop more epic videos. Even after your WAEC for your university, the channel can still be helping you. It's ongoing. Your engineering mathematics, your year 1, year 2, year 3, this physics is here for you. Tell your friends about this channel. Let's get to it. So now, common mistakes include wrong timing. In a pendulum experiment, you'll be given a timer. So if your timing is wrong, you won't get correct values. Incorrect length measurement. So let's call this X. So we have another mistake. Incorrect length measurement. Incorrect length measurement. And lastly, poor graph plotting. These are the common mistakes that usually occur in a simple pendulum experiment. So poor graph plotting. Practice timing oscillations accurately and learn how to calculate period correctly. Experiment 2. Experiment 2, Hooke's law. Very, very important. Hooke's law. We have our Hooke's law. This experiment involves spring and loads. I'm sure we all know Hooke's law. We have solved this in our SS1, SS2, and SS3. So Hooke's law involves springs and loads. WAEC may ask you to, number one, add masses to a spring. Two, measure extension. Three, plot extension against load. And finally, determine spring constant, which is what? Our K. And remember, our K equals to F over E according to Hooke's law, which is force over extension. I repeat, for your Hooke's law, WAEC may ask you to ensure you're jotting this down. Number one, add masses to a spring. To give a spring, you'll be adding masses to it. The masses will be in circular form. Measure the extension of the spring. You measure the spring first initially without the masses being added. Then you measure the extension of the spring when the masses is added. Each mass you add, you measure the extension. Each mass you add, measure the extension to be used for your calculation. You plot extension against your load and you determine your spring constant K, which is what? Force over extension. Which is one of the sweetest experiments in your WAEC physics practicals. So don't mess it up. Students often lose mark because, let's give you the mistakes students make. Number one, they misread the ruler. So mistakes, very important. Jot this down. What the students make, they misread the ruler. Number two, they record incorrect values. And they use poor skills on graph. These are the common mistakes that students make for your Hooke's law. Always double check your readings, very important. Experiment 3, electrical circuits. Electrical circuits, right? Electricity is one of WAEC's favorite practical areas. Now, let me give you guys what you'll be asked under electricity. I'm sure you guys are enjoying this video because when I give you the practicals, I'll give you what to be asked and I'll give you the common mistakes. Sweet, easy. Now, you may be required to, number one, measure current. This for electricity circuit practical. Measure current. Measure voltage. So measure voltage. Determine resistance. Determine resistance. And finally, verify Ohm's law. You'll be asked to verify Ohm's law. A very sweet law. What is Ohm's law? V equals to IR. For those that don't know, and I'm sure most of us know Ohm's law because it's a very popular law in physics. Now, these are common symbols. Don't forget, I say you should what? You should also master your circuit symbols. Make sure you know the following: ammeter connection, voltage connection. Make sure you know the following: ammeter connection, voltmeter connection, and circuit symbols. These are examples of circuit symbol. This signifies your cell or your battery. This signifies your resistance, and this signifies your capacitance. Ensure you learn more circuit symbols before entering your WAEC physics practical laboratory. Many students lose easy marks because they confuse series and parallel connection. Don't be that kind of student. Experiment 4, lens. How about experiment 4? Lens experiment. Optics practicals appear regularly. You may be asked to listen carefully and jot this down. Find the focal length, measure your image distance V, the image distance is V, measure your object distance, which is U, and establish a mathematical relationship between your image distance, object distance, and focal length. And this is the relationship between image distance, object distance, and focal length. 1 over F equals to 1 over V plus 1 over U. Ensure you learn your lens experiment very well. Now, what to remember? When performing your lens experiment, ensure you keep the lens upright, you take accurate readings, and avoid error due to parallax. I repeat, jot this down. Keep the lens upright, take accurate readings, and avoid error due to parallax. Small mistakes can significantly affect your results. Now, the last but not the least, experiment 5, which is graph-based practicals. Regardless of the experiment given, graph questions are almost guaranteed. WAEC frequently awards several marks for number 1, choosing skills, 2, plotting points, 3, drawing best fit lines, and finally, finding gradients. WAEC awards points for choosing skills, plotting points, drawing best fit lines, and last but not the least, finding gradients. A good graph can boost your score significantly. So, very important, never rush your graph work. Never ever rush your graph work. Many students walk into the practical exam hoping to copy readings from their fellow students. That strategy is very risky. So, don't adapt or adopt that particular strategy. WAEC wants to see number 1, accurate observations, proper calculations, good presentation, and finally, correct graphs. The students who score A1 are usually the students who prepare before entering the physics laboratory. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to HeisPhysics YouTube channel. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to HeisPhysics YouTube channel. Comment below A1 in physics practical and tell me which experiments you find the most difficult. In the next video, I will show you the actual WAEC physics practical questions and how to solve them step by step. See you. Thanks for watching this video and see you on my next video. Bye.